So when you start stoning, the most important thing is efficiency. So you want to be prepared and have a well-organized setup. I like to use a manicure stick with some dental wax because it allows the surface with which I pick up my stones to be tacky but not sticky. This way, especially if you give it some warmth, you can pick up several stones at a time, saving yourself a lot of back and forth, but it doesn't stain the stone because it isn't quite sticky. I use E6000 for my glue with a nozzle, and then depending on where you cut the nozzle, the range becomes thicker or thinner, so you can actually customize it if you have a different variety of stone sizes. When you start the stoning process, you want to use the edge of the fabric to give yourself some geometric guidelines and maintain a very clean picture. I like to use checkered formation when I don't want a specific pattern. If I wanted a specific pattern, I would make sure that the stones are very close together so that you could clearly tell what I'm trying to show from far away. Otherwise, you want to avoid any kind of lines or geometric shapes from afar, and checkered formation allows the stones to reflect light beautifully without giving you any unwanted pictures from far away. So I control how much stones I use by the spacing of my checkered formation, and I allow myself to maintain the distance and the shapes because I go row by row. This keeps everything very clean and neat. Most importantly, when you're finished, you want to press everything down. This way the glue adheres to the fabric and the stone and doesn't fall off when it's dry. Voila, happy stoning!